Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get 100k score on Block Blast. To achieve a 100,000 score in Block Blast, plan ahead by thinking through each move to avoid filling the grid too quickly. Then, aim for combos by clearing multiple rows or columns at once to maximize points. Utilize corners wisely by placing smaller blocks there to prevent isolated spaces. Keep the center open to allow space for larger blocks and maintain flexibility. Next, use special blocks strategically by saving them for critical moments. Recognize patterns to improve block placement efficiency. Now, balance risk and reward by stacking pieces for larger combos instead of rushing to clear lines. Practice regularly to enhance pattern recognition and strategic planning. By following these strategies, you can increase your chances of reaching a 100,000 score in Block Blast. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.